guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog guys is tapos na po yung New Year guys. So guys, ang vlog ko is 2026 na. So guys, end of the nice safe. Welcome. So guys, na-miss nyo pa ang ma-vlog ko guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys kasi kung nami-miss nyo, mas miss na kayo. So guys, bibitingin ko muna kayo. Bye guys, see you in my next vlog.